Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to join a guild in Archero 2. Alright, let's begin. Now, in order to unlock the guild itself, you'll have to finish chapter 5, as you can see here. With a little bit of grinding, you should be able to get there. Now that we have unlocked our guild, we should be able to use it as an option and join other people's guild. So if we press it right above the start button, we should be shown this. A wide variety of guilds or options we can join in. Now there is a create guild option or an auto join option, or you can manually press the enter guild name or ID for any guild in mind. Now creating a guild just as does need 500 gems, but it will be your own personal guild. Now if you don't want to spend that many gems, you can always join other people's guilds as long as you are qualified for the guild. So that's basically how you can join a guild in Archero 2. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.